Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video we were going to learn how to make a scatter plot in Canva mobile using the Canva sheet feature. So first of all you have to open the Canva app. After opening the Canva app, just click on the sheet option, the blue color one you can see. After clicking on the sheet options, a blank workbook will appear here. Okay, you just have to click on any of the cell. After clicking on any of the cell, you have to click on the actions button, then select magic charts, drag a bit up, then select chart library. From the chart library, drag down, and under scatter and dot charts you can see a scatter plot. Just click on it. After clicking on the scatter plot, a scatter plot chart appears on your blank workbook. First we will discuss the data tab. There are two tabs under the scatter plot chart. One is the data tab and other is the customize tab. Okay. So first we will discuss the data tab. So under the data tab you can see a Excel file. Not an Excel file. It's a table which data is displayed in the scatter plot. So first column you can see month, the second one is hours of sunshine, and the third is the ice creams. Okay, basically this data is about in which month, in which at what hours of sunshine how many ice creams are sold. For example, in the month of January at 3 p.m. in the evening, ice creams sold are 80. Okay, in the month of February at 8 p.m. ice creams are sold 176. Likewise in March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, drag a bit up, then you can see import data option. So if you have made other data in Microsoft Excel or any other Google Sheets or any other application, you can just import that data here in Canva. In the right hand side you can see a down arrow and a right arrow, horizontal arrow. So this is basically the transpose option. By clicking on this, or if you click on this, all the rows gets converted into columns and the columns get converted into rows. See, for example, I will show you now how it occurs. If I click, see the data we have here is like this na, month in column, hours of sunshine in column, and ice creams in column. Just if I click on this transpose option, see now month has get converted into rows, hours of sunshine rows, and ice creams also in rows. Okay, but if we do this, our data will get haphazard. Okay, so we will redo it. We will again click on transpose. See, now all the rows get converted into columns again. In the right hand side of the transpose option you can see a delete option. If you click on this, all data will get deleted and you can enter your own data manually here in this table. Okay, next comes the chart setup. So first comes the x-axis, what values to show. Okay, in the x-axis we will show hours of sunshine. If you click on this, you can select month also, ice creams sold also, but for this video, for this purpose, we will keep hours of sunshine. Okay, as it is, we will not change it. Next comes the y-axis, what values to show. In the y-axis, what we are going to show. So in the y-axis, by default, ice creams sold are given, the values. If we click on the drop down, see you can choose month also, hours of sunshine also. Okay, or any other column D, column E, but we don't have any data in column D and column E, so we will keep ice creams sold in y-axis. Okay, next comes size. So size means, let us see what size means. So size means hours of sunshine or ice creams sold. You can select any one option. So first we will see select hours of sunshine. So you can see here the circles which are having more hours of sunshine are bigger than the circles which are having less hours of sunshine, which are plotted in the less hours of sunshine part. Okay, so this is the size. Next comes color by. We will color by month. Okay, see the circles are get colored now. Color by month. And next comes labels. Labels also we will choose. Labels we choose month. Okay, by default it is given month. Okay, next comes the aggregate data. By default it is chosen none. You can sum the data, average the data, you can count the data, you can do maximum, minimum and median calculations, means basic statistical calculations. I will make a separate video on that. In this video I am skipping this part. So this is all about the data tab. Oh, now you can see one thing. In this column, the January month gets blue colored, February is purple, March is orange, April is yellow, May is pink, June is dark pink, July is sky blue, August is lime green, likewise. Okay, so this all these circles which are colored in the scatter plot means month. Okay, for example, see, if I click on this yellow circle, it will show the details of the data. Month April, yellow color means April, hours of sunshine is 14, ice creams sold is 300. So you get all the details of the data by clicking on these circles. Okay, next comes the customize tab. In the customize tab, first comes the text option. You have to choose whether you will keep the legend of the chart. I will suggest you click it on. Okay, see, legend means the colors which are indicating what month is given above the scatter plot. Okay, so it is good to keep legend on, otherwise you will not understand which color is indicates what. You have to every time see the graph, every time see the table. Now you can add a title. I will add a title, ice creams sold. You can also add a subtitle. I will not add it now. You can add a source text. Source text means if you take data from any other website or any other source, you can write the name of the source text from where you have taken the data. Or next down you can see a link is also, a pin is also given. You can link any data. Next comes the x-axis. In the x-axis, labels, you have to keep it on. If you keep it off, x-axis labels are gone, so you have to keep it on. Okay, otherwise you will not see the values of the x-axis. So x-axis title, hours of sunshine, you can select minimum, maximum. Likewise, in the previous video I have shown, if you increments, if you do plus minus, the values in between values increases, and if you click on minus, the in between values decreases. For example, 5 to 10, here is default given. If you increment it, it will show 5, then 7, then 10. Likewise, 7 will also come in between 5 and 10. Next comes the y-axis. Y-axis also similar. Labels you have to keep it on. Ice creams sold, y-axis title, minimum, maximum is given. Increments also same. Next comes the settings. In the settings, grid lines. Grid lines are the horizontal and the vertical lines you see in the scatter plot, which you are seeing. It is appearing here. If you keep it, if you off it, grid lines will be gone. But I will suggest you keep it on. Next comes the tool tips, then filters. See, filters. First you have to select what data you want to filter. For example, I want to see the ice creams sold. Okay, you can click on it and select any other. You can select month also, hours of sunshine also, but I want to see ice creams sold. Okay, style means range slider and buttons. Buttons option is not available here, only range slider is available. Select range slider. Interactive color, you can select anyone. I'll select red. Then settings. Okay, so you can now see a slider is a slider has appeared above the legend. Okay, now what this actually means is, if you click on the slider, what filters we have selected? Ice creams sold. Okay, so ice creams sold is minimum value is, wait a bit, minimum value is 82 and maximum is 380. For example, now entire range is selected 82 to 380, so 82 to 380 values are displayed on the scatter plot. Ice creams sold. Okay, now if we want to see, for example, say 100 to 380, so we'll just click on the slider and adjust the slider to 100. Only now 120 to 380, the values between 120 to 380 is displayed on the scatter plot. The rest below 120 values are not displayed. Okay, so this is the purpose of the filter option. Okay, you can also remove the slider, remove the filter by clicking on the range slider. Below you can see remove filter option is there. If you click on it, the filter gets removed. Again you can add a filter. Okay, so next comes color options. So likewise, the first color is the white, which is the color of the chart. I will suggest you keep it white. Okay, next comes the blue color. Blue color means January. You can click on it and you can change color. Okay, change color of the month. And in the extreme left hand side you can see as gradient option is also given. You can choose gradient also, gradient color also. Okay, likewise these are all the colors of the month. Just slide it to the left. Then comes the padding option. Padding is nothing but the area occupied by the chart. Okay, see, if I click on padding and if I increase the slider or move the slider to the right, the chart area increases. See, if I slide it to the left, the chart area decreases. Next comes the marker. Markers are the circles. If we want to not give circles, any other shape you can also give. See, for example, if I click on square, the markers are now changed to square shape. Likewise, diamond is also there, triangle is there, star is there. Okay, marker size also you can increase or decrease in the slider. Marker transparency also you can increase or decrease. Then comes font, text styles, font size, color, format, transparency of the chart. Layers means, for example, layers is not so much important in this sheet options, because only one layer of chart is there. If we have multiple charts, if you want to keep one chart above another chart, you can choose layers option also. Okay, next comes the position. Position also not important in workbook. Then comes the nudge option. Nudge option gives control over the movement of the chart. You can move the chart to the left, to the up, to the down and to the right. Next comes more option. In the more option you can copy the chart, you can copy paste chart, duplicate the chart, you can delete the entire chart, you can create a comment on the chart, you can lock the chart so that it does not move or its data does not get modified. You can lock only the position and appearance of the chart. You can link any data or link any text or website source file. You can add an alternative text also. You can download the selected parts of the chart. If you want to download only the selected parts of the chart and not the entire chart, you can translate the text in the chart. So this is all about the scatter plot chart. Now I will show you how to download the chart. To download the chart, you can see a up arrow in the top part of the app in the right hand side next to the tick option. Just click on it, then click on download. Now see, file type, you have to choose file type. Just click on the drop down menu many options are there. If you want to only download the scatter plot chart and not the entire workbook, you can click on jpg png. Okay, if you want to download the entire workbook in PDF format, you can click on PDF standard. You can select PDF print. Next comes CSV and XLSX. CSV and XLSX means the entire workbook will get downloaded as an Excel file. You can open it any workbook or Excel app. So I will suggest you download in CSV file format. Just click on select it, then click on download. It gets downloaded. Download is finished. If you click on open, the chart along with the workbook will open along with the data. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. See you again in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.